Welcome, everyone. Today, we will learn how to manage recruitment applications and track applicants inside the Odoo system. We start from the main dashboard by opening the recruitment application, where we can see the list of available job positions. We will select the Marketing and Community Manager position to review its related applications. The system takes us to a Kanban board, which organizes applicants according to the recruitment stages, starting from qualifications all the way to contract proposal. When we open one of the applicant profiles, we can review the contact details, LinkedIn account, and resume directly. From the Details tab, we can see information such as educational background, availability date, and expected salary. The Skills tab also provides a clear comparison of the applicant's skills and languages, helping us evaluate how suitable she is for the position. After that, we review another applicant in the first interview stage, where we can find a complete record of previous messages and activities with the ability to easily follow salary details and skills. Finally, we return to the main dashboard after reviewing the applications in an organized and smooth way.
Start streamlining your company's hiring process with Odoo. Contact us now to book your private consultation and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on business solutions and management.